Hello guys, welcome back to my channel That 300cc Guy. I hope your COVID vacation is going fine. Firstly, I request all of you to maintain social distancing and personal hygiene, at least until we get a proper COVID vaccine. Be responsible, save yourself and your family. Now, you already read the title of the video and you know the agenda. So let me jump into it straight. Many of my friends and co-riders have asked me about my helmet mount, GoPro mount. So today's video is all about the same. I'll be dividing this video into 4 parts. First, why the chin mount? Why not any other mount? Like obviously this is called a chin mount on the top, and there are several other mounts like the top mount or the side mount. There are different ways. The second thing will be my method of achieving the chin mount onto my helmet, and the third thing will be why I chose that method. Obviously you can do several other things, but why the method that I chose. And the fourth one, I'll be telling you about little tips and tricks that will make the chin mount much better and much reliable. So let's start. So this is my helmet which I'll be using for very long distance rides, which is like my annual tours that I've been the last year as well as the year before, which is the Vizag ride and the Kanyakumari ride. So this is the long travel helmet of mine. And anyways, there is another video with my in-city helmet, which you can find the link to the video in the description box, and I'll also try to link it up here. Please click the button here and you can see how I have installed a chin mount on that helmet. This helmet has also been installed with the same method that I have prescribed in that video, but anyways I will be reiterating what I have done with this helmet. So this is an MT Thunder 3, okay, and if you can see, this vent is properly functional, not even one bit of it is blocked. So this is very effective as a chin mount. This method is very effective. So primarily what you need is a 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape, little M-seal, and then you need a masking surgical tape. So these are the primary things that you require. First one is a double-sided 3M tape for very strong bonding. Another one is M-seal to actually make the shape of your chin of your helmet. And the third one is a masking tape, which is like a temporary base onto the helmet. These are the 3 things that you need. So before I actually go into the method I have chosen to achieve this chin mount, I will tell you why the chin mount is, which is the first point in our agenda today. Obviously there are different mounts, like I told you, the top mount and the side mount. And why did I go to a chin mount instead of a top mount and a side mount? The reason is very clear. When you make a video onto YouTube, when you make a motovlog for viewers to view, or when you make any video for your memory which is recorded through an action camera that is attached to your helmet, you or any person or anybody who views the video wishes to view it from a POV, which is exactly what you see. Okay, you record what you see when you mount this chin mount, when you mount your action camera onto your chin mount. Okay, but on the top it will be surreal, it will be above, and you almost can record a better view, I would say, but definitely not the realistic view of whatever you see. You record everything that you record through a chin mount, either here or here also, but the reality factor is missing. The second thing, when you mount it onto the side, okay, when you mount the action camera onto the side and not on the chin area, what happens is, because of the new technology and wide angle action cameras, wide angle view action cameras, all of this is also recorded. All of your visor, half of your visor and your helmet is recorded onto the left side of your helmet. So that can be avoided when you use a chin mount. These are the 2 reasons why I have chosen a chin mount and not a top mount or a side mount. Going to the second point, you already have the ingredients for our special recipe, which is the chin mount. What you need to do is very simple. First, you need to take some cloth and remove any dust on your chin area. Then apply a masking tape so that it will replicate the chin shape of your helmet. That is the first thing. Second thing, you need to apply M-seal. If you can see here, there is this thickness of M-seal that I used on my helmet. So you need to put M-seal and the base of the mount onto the M-seal and properly make it tidy so that no excessive amount is present, and the M-seal will dry out and make a mold on the shape of your chin area. Okay, so क्या कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, जो ये हेलमेट का शेप है which is like a U, extreme U, so curved mount will also not suffice. That is the reason we are using an M-seal to replicate the chin shape of your helmet. Okay, and then we have a base of our action camera mount. Okay, so that is the second point, which is onto the masking tape which you have pasted on in step 1. You need to make a mold of M-seal and attach the M-seal onto the masking tape and the other side onto the base of the action camera mount. So these are the two steps. Once the mold is dried up, you need to force ply it out. इतना easy आसान नहीं आएगा, इतना आसान से M-seal आएगा ही नहीं, because it is tightly fixed in the shape of your chin of your helmet. So you should plug it out. क्यों? Why should you do it? Why should you apply a masking tape first, and why should you plug it out after the mold of M-seal has dried up? तो reason very clear है. When you apply a masking tape, surgical tape onto your helmet, all you're trying to do is avoid M-seal chemicals onto your helmet. क्या होएगा अगर M-seal का chemicals helmet में आ गया तो क्या होएगा? Paint जाएगा भाई, paint जाएगा. We don't want paint to come out. So that is the reason we are not applying M-seal directly onto the helmet. Okay, that is one. The second thing, why are you plucking it out when you have already fixed your M-seal mold onto the surgical tape which is onto your helmet? Two reasons. One, नीचे तो सर्जिकल टेप है भाई, व्हाइट कलर है, आपका हेलमेट व्हाइट कलर नहीं है, निकाल के नहीं आएगा. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. If you try, then second point, if you try to remove the excessive surgical masking tape from the sides, तो क्या होता है, मास्किंग टेप थोड़ा ही बच जाता है जितना है आपका साइज ऑफ योर मोल्ड. ओके, तो दैट इज नॉट इनफ to hold the weight of your helmet, weight of your action camera on an open stretch. Okay, when you do 100s, 120s, it is not reliable to use an M-seal which is supported by a masking surgical tape. Okay, आपका action camera का life बढ़ेगा. These are the two reasons. That is why when you force ply it out, थोड़ा एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है, बिकॉज दैट इज न्यूली अप्लाइड, इट इज नॉट एरोडिंग विथ टाइम. सो न्यूली अप्लाइड है, थोड़ा फोर्स प्रेशर लगाना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू पुल इट आउट. वंस यू हैव पुल्ड इट आउट, रिमूव ऑल द मास्किंग सर्जिकल टेप फ्रॉम M-seal एज वेल एज योर हेलमेट. M-seal मोल्ड पे से निकालना है, हेलमेट पे से निकालना है. वंस यू डू दैट, टेक योर डबल साइडेड 3M tape and apply first coating on your M-seal mold, on the back side of your M-seal mold. Okay, हेलमेट पे भी लगा सकते हैं, पर क्यों, एक्सेसिव रह जाएगा हेलमेट पे. अगर M-seal mold पे लगाए, you can cut the borders of M-seal mold. Okay, so that no excessive double 3M tape is there on your helmet. वो करने के बाद anyways you have the mold on the shape of your helmet chin. Then you have a double sided tape attached to the mold. तो क्या करना है, peel off the other side, put it onto your helmet where you actually made the mold. Fix करके थोड़ी देर पकड़ना है. कितनी देर? 2 मिनट काफी है. Okay, once you do that, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग रहेगा, इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग. The whole helmet weighs around 1.8 kilos. एक्शन कैमरा तो 1.8 किलोस नहीं रहेगा, तो ये वाला हेलमेट 1.8 किलो रहेगा एंड सपोर्ट कर रहा है, तो दिस इज मोस्ट रिलायबल. सो वंस यू डू दैट यू आर ऑलमोस्ट डन. और क्या है, ये बेस माउंट पे तुम्हारा एक्शन कैमरा माउंट करना है कपल ऑफ जॉइंट्स के साथ. हो गया. नाउ थर्ड वन, व्हाई आई हैव चोजन दिस मेथड एंड नॉट एनी अदर मेथड. तो मैंने बोला भाई रिलायबिलिटी फैक्टर है. ओके, एक, यू कैन पुट दी सर्जिकल मास्किंग टेप ऑन टू योर हेलमेट एंड देन यू कैन यूज. जितने दिन चलेगा उतने दिन चलेगा, पर अगर बहुत विंड के हिसाब से इधर उधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया सेटअप, तो इट इज वेरी इजी फॉर द माउल्ड एंड द कैमरा टू कम आउट ऑफ द हेलमेट. ओके, so that is one. There are several other ways why to use an M-Seal. You can directly go ahead with whatever stock mounting system you have. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, this curve is extreme for this to support curved mount. थोड़े helmets support करेंगे, not all the helmets. तो this method is efficient for any helmet shape. चिन पे जो भी shape है, this is very 100% फिक्स होएगा. ओके, तो ये है बात नंबर 2. द थर्ड थिंग, अ कपल ऑफ राइडर्स हैव यूज्ड अ नट एंड बोल्ट अप्रोच. बेसिकली व्हाट इज दैट? ड्रिल ले लो, यहां पे से ड्रिल करो, यहां पे से होल आएगा, देन मेक अ सिमिलर होल ऑन टू योर बेस ऑफ योर गोप्रो माउंट, स्क्रू के साथ फिक्स कर दो. That is one very strongest approach. But what are you doing? You are damaging the helmet. Okay, function of the helmet. क्योंकि ना, as most of the riders already know, helmet एक बार नीचे impact लिया तो it is not to be used for the second time. Why? अच्छा ही तो है, थोड़े scratches तो आए, ऐसा नहीं होता. When you fall, a helmet as a whole takes an impact which is useless for another impact. Okay, so when you try to hamper the strength of the helmet by drilling into it or hammering into it, what you're basically doing is destroying the function of the helmet, which is to save your head. So safety की issue है. So that is the reason I will suggest to avoid a drill method. Okay, this is the third point in the agenda, which is why this method. तो पहला हो गया है what chin mount and why not side and top mount. Second point हो गया what is my approach. Third point हो गया why this approach. अभी tips and tricks को जाएंगे. अगर आप क्लोज देखें, okay, I do not have any fitting screw. जैसे ये स्क्रू होता है, usually every action camera comes with this type of screw. Okay, so why do I not have any of it, but how did I mount two joints onto my base of the action camera mount? Okay, if you look closely, I have this, which is a screw, normal screw. इसको बोलते हैं 1 इंच का स्क्रू बोलते हैं. You can find this very easily in automobile shops. कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगा, ऑटोमोबाइल शॉप में जरूर मिलेगा. तो व्हाट आई डिड, ये नीचे जो ऐसा रहना था, इसको मैंने रिप्लेस कर दिया एक स्क्रू और नट के साथ. ओके, नट आई हैव यूज्ड फॉर स्पेसिंग एंड दिस इज अ स्क्रू दैट इज एग्जैक्टली विद दिस थ्रेड पैटर्न. ओके, एंड द सेम थिंग आई हैव यूज्ड हियर, एक बॉटम और एक ये. ओके, तो ये है परमानेंट फिक्स. परमानेंट अगर निकालना चाहते हो तो यू कैन यूज अ स्क्रू ड्राइवर एंड रिमूव इट. इट्स नॉट अ परमानेंट फिक्स, बट ये परमानेंट कह सकते हैं क्योंकि ये निकालने का जरूरत आएगा ही नहीं ना. तो दिस इज अ लिटिल ट्रिक. एंड व्हाट इफ आई लाइक टू माउंट दिस कैमरा ऑन टू माई एक्शन कैमरा. ऐसा माउंट करता हूं मैं. आई माउंट इट इन एट दिस एंगल बिकॉज आई ड्राइव अ स्पोर्ट्स बाइक एंड मेरा हेलमेट ये पोजीशन में आएगा. जब मैं ड्राइव करता हूं तो मेरा हेलमेट ये पोजीशन में आएगा, ये पोजीशन में ड्राइव करूंगा. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट योर कैमरा टू फोकस स्ट्रेट अहेड, नॉट डाउन और नॉट अप, तो मेरा कैमरा ऐसा माउंट होना है. okay, which is like this. Back side when the helmet is on the table, okay. तो ये होता है स्पोर्ट्स बाइक में दिक्कत, ओके. इसको माउंट करने के लिए एनीवेज आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस बिकॉज इसको रिमूव करना चाहता हूं व्हेन एंड वेयर इट्स माय विश, ओके. वेर एवर आई वांट टू रिमूव दिस आई कैन स्क्रू दिस आउट, ओके. सो एक कैमरा फिक्स करने के लिए ये जो कंपनी के साथ आता है ये यूज करता हूं मैं, बट द हेलमेट इज प्रॉपरली फिक्स्ड विथ द ऑटोमोबाइल स्क्रूज, ओके. ये है एक ट्रिक. सेकेंड वन, if you are using mic, okay, you need not remove your mic every now and then. ये देखिए मेरा माइक इंटरनली फिक्स्ड है. मैं ये इंटरकॉम भी यूज करता हूं. दिस इज पैक्टॉक बोल्ड, कार्डो पैक्टॉक बोल्ड. इसके दोनों के माइक्रोफोन्स अंदर है, अंदर फिक्स कर लिया है. आई हैव नो इश्यूज विथ माई जॉब, आई हैव नो इश्यूज विथ द गैप इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, I have no issues with my speaker system. I have no issues with the Boya M1 mic जो कि पूरा अंदर ऐसा scattered है, okay. I have no issues at all. एक चीज है, Boya BY M1 comes with a very long cord, 20 meters का cord कुछ है, तो उसको मैंने ये अंदर जो स्पॉन्ज है, ओके, ये स्पॉन्ज के अंदर लगा दिया. पैडिंग बोलते हैं ना, ये पैडिंग के अंदर लगा दिया, ओके. और वो बैटरी का जो कंपार्टमेंट रहता है उसको ना मैं ये साइड में टेप के साथ लगा दिया, जहां पे एनीवेज माई जॉ विल नॉट बी टचिंग, तो वहां पे मैंने लगा दिया, ओके. सो दिस इज वन थिंग. आई लीव माई माइक्रोफोन केबल आउटसाइड सो दैट व्हेन आई माउंट माई GoPro इट कैन गो लाइक दिस, ओके. तो नॉट ओनली GoPro, you can mount any action camera this way, okay. I use 3 action cameras, बैकअप के लिए यूज करता हूं. आई माउंट GoPro प्राइमरीली, बट दूसरे कैमरेज भी यही सेटअप से, यही नट से फिट हो जाते हैं, ओके. ये है, दिस इज हाउ आई हैव माउंटेड माई GoPro chin mount onto my helmet. तो आपने देखा है हाउ टू माउंट योर एक्शन कैमरा onto the chin of your helmet. If there is any question, please comment down. I'll reply to you. If there are many questions, I'll make another video about it. But stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Keep supporting me. Content लाते ही रहूंगा. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.